Why does not true in, false, true, return false? If I do this, that returns true, simply because false is in the list. But if I do, that returns false, whereas not true is equal to false. Why?
Operator precedence 2.x, 3.x. The precedence of not is lower than that of in. So it is equivalent to. This is what you want. As Ben points out, it's recommended to never write not true, prefer not true. The former makes it look like a function call, while not is an operator, not a function.
Not x in y is evaluated as x not in y. You can see exactly what's happening by disassembling the code. The first case works as you expect. The second case evaluates to true not in, false, true, which is false clearly. What you wanted to express instead was not true, in false, true, which as expected is true, and you can see why.
Operator precedence. It binds more tightly than not, so your expression is equivalent to not, true in, false, true.
It's all about operator precedence, in is stronger than not. But it can be easily corrected by adding parentheses at the right place. Writing is the same like, which looks if true is in the list and returns the not of the result.
If you want to simulate, please consider subscribing.